Hallo Ivan, ich heiße Shradha, ich komme ursprünglich aus Indien und seit 5 Jahren wohne ich in Deutschland. Ich habe meine Master in technisches Management abgeschlossen und habe einen beruflichen Hintergrund in Projektmanagement. Ich habe 6 Jahre Erfahrungen in Projektmanagement, auch Änderungsmanagement in verschiedenen Bereichen, zum Beispiel FMCG, Automobil und auch Luftfahrtindustrie. Wann ich über meine Deutschkenntnisse spreche, dann habe ich A2 in Indien gemacht. Meine Masterstudium, auch Praktiken und alle Erfahrungen waren auf Englisch. So, ich habe keine Gelegenheit, meine Deutsch zu verbessern. Aber diese Jahre entscheide ich mich, meine Deutsch zu verbessern und habe eine 12 Wochen Lightspeed Kurs begonnen. Es macht wirklich Spaß, auch so viele neue Dinge gelernt und ich habe eine gute Erfahrungen mit Lightspeed Learning Kurs.
Hi everyone, we're sitting here with Shradha. Shradha is our student who just completed our 12-week premium course, and she will share with us her experience. How was her German before she have joined this course, and how is that now?
Okay, so when I speak about my German initially, so when I was in India, I did my A2 level. And also, when I did the A2, I don't have self-confidence, also the self-motivation about German speaking because I was having very few vocab and also very few understanding about the German language. But when I start with Lightspeed German class, then I realized that this approach is completely new compared to the traditional approach. We mainly focus on 80% speaking course. So every single day, I was learning new things. So for me also, it took 1 month to adapt with the process in Lightspeed. And then after 1 week, it was like, okay, I can speak German and also I can learn new words. Because of Lightspeed, I improve my vocab. Also, I can speak confidently, which previously it was not there. Also, the self motivation improved. We're having so many conversation, also the phone calls, also the coach always improve in the call. So for me it was really good experience with Lightspeed class.
And is there anything like to say to someone who would consider join this course? Let's say that he's sitting to me with me today on the call, and he need to decide, okay, should I join this course or not?
So I will definitely recommend this course because the person like me who is having very self motivation or the self confidence about the German, now after 12 week I can speak clearly. Also, I can communicate with the local people. So I can definitely recommend the person. And the reason being recommendation is that this approach is totally different from the traditional classes. And here you are mainly focusing on the vocab, which are really important in daily life as well as for your professional career. And every single day you are investing your 1 hour or the 2 hour time for specifically learning German, which is not possible for the traditional approach because you are having classes, but you are learning the vocab which is there in the that chapter. It is not related to everyday conversation. So you for this specific course, I would definitely recommend to the student that they should try and learn German.
Thank you. And
Yeah.
was anyone from your friends or people that you know in your circle was
Mhm.
surprised because 12 weeks was very short time period, literally 3 months, right?
Yeah,
And
yeah.
was anyone surprised like when you start speaking German and start using German in front of them?
Definitely, I saw the change in myself. Also, my friend recognized, oh, how can you speak so good German? And then I was like, okay, I was doing some course and this course is like this. And they were like, okay. So they asked me the detail about the course and I shared my details. Also, my friends were curious to know more about the course because this is something really different. Like some people feel, oh, 12 weeks. How is it possible to learn German in 12 weeks? So I clarify that point that this approach is completely different from the traditional approach, and we are having some different themas every single day, and you are investing your own time, also your consistency um, matters a lot in this course. So once you have this 100% consistency in this course, then you can achieve in 12 weeks.
Absolutely. But also
Yeah.
what is really important that you were so ego-free. Like whatever we told you, you followed that. You never made a question of anything that you have done in this course, even though you
Mm.
had experience with different traditional classes. So you
Yeah.
never kind of try to involve those mindsets from those classes into our classes. But literally, we told you this, you just applying everything. And this is why actually you are where you're at now, because of your effort, consistency, and hard work always pays off.